We've just acquired this Jaguar 3 litre V6 diesel. It's coming part exchange. It's usually a bit too high mileage for our stock, but the history is superb. It's had a lot of work done to it. Just, unmarked alloy wheels. Bodywork's in excellent condition. It's got the park distance control, twin exhausts. Boot area hasn't been abused in any way. It's got the mats. Interior is obviously luxurious with the leather interior, electric seats, paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to drive it that way. Got the push start, and the air vents and everything opens up. Little touch for the glove box there, all the instructions there. Got navigation for the satellite, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors. Really is in superb condition for its age. Great value for money. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.